An electric kettle of 2 kilowatt rating is used for 2 hours. Here given that the power rating of this electric kettle is 2 kilowatt and it is used for time T is equal to 2 hours. So the energy consumed, we know that energy is equal to power multiplied by time. So it will be equal to 2 kilowatt into 2 hour, which is equal to 4 kilowatt hours. This much of kilowatt hour, 4 kilowatt hour, will be consumed in 2 hours. And for the second part, we have to convert it in joules. We know that watt into second is equal to joule, or watt is equal to 1 watt is equal to 1 joule by 1 second. Now we have to express kilowatt into watt and hour into second. So energy will be equal to four kilowatt hour, which will be equal to 4 into 10 to the power 3 watt into for 1 hour we will write it as 3600 seconds. So we will get 36 into 4, that is 144 into 10 to the power 5 watt multiplied by second, or this is equal to 1.44 into 10 to the power 7 watt into second is equal to joule. So the energy in terms of joule will be 1.44 into 10 to the power 7 joule.